Hello friends, in this video I will talk about my experience of Digital Deepak internship program. I would say Digital Deepak internship program is a great opportunity for those who want to learn by doing. It is for doers. But even if you are not a doer and you procrastinate too much, this internship will force you to take action. In my case, I was already earning through online tutoring and by a crowdsourcing platform. But you know how uncertain this world is now. Corona has taught a lesson to all of us. So to be secure, I wanted to create some more sources of earning, something for which I won't have to trade my time. It is absolutely possible in digital marketing. So I chose to learn about it. Digital marketing is something which you can't learn without doing. So I decided to go for an internship. But the problem is it was very difficult for me. It was very difficult to find a good internship in the market. It's because not many companies give actual work to interns. They give repetitive and easy works such as making backlinks, etc. Such types of internships are of no use. Fortunately, DD internship is different from all of them. You learn every aspect of digital marketing by working on different assignments. You learn directly from India's one of the best marketers, Deepak Kanakraju. I could not find any other internships in my any other good internships in my city, and due to some reason it was not possible for me to go to the another city. So I was looking for a work from home internship. You can do DD internship from the comfort of your home. This was also a reason I chose to join this internship program. During this internship, I did various kinds of assignments like content writing, copywriting, Facebook ad, Google ad, content creation, landing page creation, and I also created an ebook. And I also created an ebook in one of my assignments, and that was really fun. This was the first time I wrote an ebook, and there were deadlines for every assignment. So it created pressure. It created a lot of pressure on us to finish the assignments on time, and because of that, we forgot procrastination. This internship throws your laziness. Proper support was provided to finish the assignment, and Q&A sessions after every class helped us to finish the assignments on time. We also got a certificate for finishing the internship successfully. This is another benefit of DD internship program. You can use this certificate for getting a good job in the market if you want to go for the job, or you can do freelancing also. And so if you are serious about your career in digital marketing, you must register for the webinar. In that webinar, you will get complete information about the upcoming batches, and I have provided link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.